This video will cover the basic operation of Go-To and the charge case and how to connect Go-To to your phone. When you open the charge case, it will turn on automatically. Pop Go-To into the charge case. Then press the record or mode button to wake Go-To up. Press the record button to start shooting. And hit the record button again to stop shooting. You can use the charge case to control Go-To remotely from up to 33 feet away. Alternatively, you can use the camera independently to control shooting. When Go-To is off, long press the action button for 1 second. The camera will turn on and automatically enter standby mode. In standby mode, single press the action button to start shooting a pro video. Press the action button again to stop shooting. You can also double press the action button to start shooting a time shift. And hit the action button again to stop shooting. When you're done, long press the action button for 2 seconds to turn off Go-To. Lastly, we'll show you how to connect Go-To to your phone. First, turn on Go-To. Open the Insta360 app, then tap the camera icon. Swipe left until you see Go-To. Then tap Connect Now. Choose your device. If you can't see your device on the list, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings page to manually connect to Go-To's Wi-Fi, then return to the app. When connecting for the first time, follow the instructions on the charge case to confirm the connection. Or just tap the action button on Go-To itself to confirm the connection. Once you're successfully connected, you can preview your shot, control shooting, and playback footage via the app.